Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program to add two integers and also add two strings and print the result. So that is a problem statement. So this is an example of function overloading. So where we try to use the same function to add two integers as well as we use the same function to add two strings. So let us try to define a function that is add underscore anything. So this is a function that we'll be using to add integers as well as strings. X comma y is an input argument and we have to return that is x plus y. Yeah, so this is a function that we define and now we have to ask a user to enter two integers. Let's take two variables a. Let's use the input function call and ask a user to enter first integer. Yeah, so once the user enters, so it will be of string type. So let us convert it into an integer type. So now let's take another variable that is b. So let me copy paste the same. This is b and we'll be slightly modifying this. This is a second integer. So now let us try to print the addition of two integers. Is let's give colon and let us try to call the function that is add anything and let's give a b. So now let us try to ask a user to enter the string that is s1 is equals to. So let me use the input function call to ask a user to enter first string. Yeah, now let's take another variable s2 and use the input function call to ask a user to enter second string. Yeah, so now let's try to use a print function to print that is adding two strings together. Yeah, so now let us try to call the function that is add anything s1 comma s2. Yeah, so this is the complete Python program that uses the same function to add two integers as well as same function to add two strings. So let us try to run this. So enter the first integer. So let's give 10 and 5. So you can see addition of two integers is 15. So let's say hello and Python. So you can see adding two strings together. So you can see this is the addition of two strings. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program. So that's all I had in this video. So thank you for watching. Bye.